The Bismarck, a name that resonates with the might of the Nazi Kriegsmarine during World War II. Commissioned in 1940, this German battleship was one of the largest and most formidable warships ever built. Armed with 15-inch guns, a displacement of over 50,000 tons, and a top speed of 30 knots, the Bismarck was a symbol of naval power. In May 1941, the Bismarck embarked on its fateful mission in the North Atlantic, seeking to disrupt Allied shipping. But it was only 5 days before the Royal Navy engaged the Bismarck in a battle that would become legendary. Despite its firepower, the Bismarck was eventually overwhelmed by relentless pursuit and airstrikes. On May 27th, the great battleship sank, taking over 2,000 sailors with it. The Bismarck's story is one of power, tragedy, and a final defiant stand against overwhelming odds. Its legacy lives on as one of the most iconic symbols of naval warfare.